Hi, Ray Catchpole here. So I just wanted to give you an update on the refurbishment of our 8-bed sui generis HMO. So if you saw a previous video, you would have seen this property where it was in its previous state, but it's all been stripped out now. So I'm just going to give you a very brief tour just to show you what it looks like now stripped out. So this is the hallway, as you can see, completely back to basics here. All the wallpaper's been stripped off, and we're going in here. So we're going to discuss with the builders tomorrow about possibly putting a magnetic plaster on here, because there needs to be a notice board in the property. So I think that might be quite a useful way to make it nice and modern. So stepping into here was the first bedroom before, but as you'll see now, we've actually taken down the wall that was between here, stud wall. It's nice and huge. So that will get built again, but what's going to happen is we're going to take part of the other room and build the ensuite in there. So yeah, completely back to basics in here, plaster coming off completely because it was so old and tatty. So yeah, going into what was the kitchen, we are completely back out to basics here. December 04 meant something to someone, but yeah, literally back to basics here. Everything's been switched off, so it's all safe for me to be here. All the door frames have gone out, all the electrics have been taken out, all the plugs and everything have been taken out, and yes, basically now we can start kind of first fixing going forward. So this utility room is going to be used for the washing machine, dishwasher, fridge, freezer. This is going to be the living area. So again, all of the skirtings and all of the frames have been taken out, so it's all back to basic in here. Electric's completely turned off, so just a couple of units for the builders to use. These are the rooms that I'm going to be most excited about. So just here is where the old front door was, so we're going to open this back up. So there was a stud wall here before, so we're back to brick now, so we can open that back up. If you come into these rooms here, which are going to be huge rooms, there used to be a wall here, stud wall, we've opened up, so as I said before, make it nice and light, and it is really light in here, and it's nice and spacious. So these are going to be couples rooms, so they're going to be huge, where they've got their own private ensuite, they've got their own walk-in wardrobe going to be here, so this wall's been taken down, but the walk-in wardrobe, and yeah, the old bathroom's been taken out, but to be a nice size ensuite in here, but yeah, completely back, no ceiling there whatsoever. So yeah, lots going on here, lots of work to get back to this stage, a lot of hard work for the builders. But I'm just going to go up to this first staircase here, just show you upstairs. It's not too different upstairs, just because some of the rooms didn't have any wallpaper on, so they won't look too different. But as you can see, all of the frames around the windows have completely been taken out, all of the door frames gone again, and again in this room, the wall that was here again is gone, and we're completely back to brick on that wall and support the lintel on that wall because it's a bit fragile, so that will be reinforced and protected. But as you can see in here, nice and light again, nice good size for a couple. And in here is the old bathroom, so again back to brick in there. A lot of work to strip this back to this phase. So just going through to where the other rooms are. So these don't look too different. So these are the two small rooms, one of them quite small here, and we've got where the ensuites will be. And you come through here is where the other ensuite will be in the hallway, so this hallway won't exist. And the door for this bedroom will actually be a bit further back about here. But yeah, so making amazing progress. It's taken us about 3-4 weeks to get to this stage because so much to strip out, huge amount. But yeah, really excited now so we can get that first fix going and really get going on the project. So yeah, nearly at a stage where it will kind of start to come back together, but definitely be a bit more work to strip back a bit more basic first in terms of kind of chiseling out more of the plaster and getting it back to a bit more brick before we start first fixing electrics, and yeah, then kind of moving forward from there. So yeah, really big project, really exciting. So just being careful walking down the stairs while I'm talking to you, and yeah, I will keep you posted. So this is video 2, but there'll be another video soon as we get to the next stage, so keep watching and I'll speak to you soon.